Um, um, uh, 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 uh. Hi, my name is Tariq. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Learn Public Speaking Academy. Have you been in a situation where you had to give a speech and presentation and you were speaking very fast and you were using a lot of filler words? All of these because you were nervous. Here's a simple trick that you can use to get rid of your erms and ahs and all of these filler words and to prevent yourself from speaking fast. So next time you're giving a speech, try to put in some pauses after some key points, takeaways, messages, and then you pause. You just look at the audience. And then you move on. It's very intimidating and frightening to just have the silence, but try it next time. It's a very simple trick that you can use to show the audience that you are a confident and a great public speaker.